Hi, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today we're going to be playing A Favor to Ask.
A freelancer died here. Others came to finish his work. Forgotten remain. Strong alone, stronger together.
They keep saying stronger together in this. I don't know if this is supposed to be a political hack or something. I'm not sure. But this is A Favor to Ask on Anthem. We're going to be...
They are unfit to dwell here. Honestly.
Something about fallen freelancers. Upholding the freelancer traditions. So I think we gotta kill something.
Sweep the vermin away. You fight well for your brothers and sisters.
I have to practice in Roblox before I come back in here again. So they like to leave you behind big time. Okay, I'm back in. Just trying to get that ammo right there. Wasn't quite working.
Very good. Now light your fire to celebrate their lives and guide them home. Got it. Rest well. We will all find each other when the world is finished. I have another site for you. Very close.
So we're off to another site. I'm going to grab this.
This next place will be bloody. You must collect the list of the fallen freelancers. So you can write their stories?
When these guys take off, they will leave you behind, and
looks like a recent battle.
you'll hit a load screen.
Quite recent. Many stories ended.
When those pterodactyls are in the air,
You do well clearing those bastards
you're going to be feeling their shot. It'll come out of nowhere. You won't know where it's coming from.
Sometimes I miss the action. Looks clear for the most part. Now,
So there's that beacon at the top again.
that remain.
A green beacon. This stuff you don't really notice when you're just first starting to play. And I don't mean to beat the drum about it, but man, it sure does help. Tells you go that way, start going that way. Your life is better.
Here's mostly stripped, including the helmet. So no leak? Not strange.
There we go.
That's all of it. No links. Anywhere. Damn. I know who's doing this. I don't know why, though. First, survivors left him a
The multiplayer definitely brings a human component to it.
Who took those links? Outlaws.
Not really showing off for each other, but you know it was witnessed by other people. And that definitely brings kind of a Roblox type of a thing to it. For the kids, the Roblox is really a big deal, but you can tell there's someone on the other side of it. And that helps with enjoying your time. I kind of like that there's no mics. I can't hear anybody talking. I like that. Because sometimes, you know, people are leaning really heavily on a chair and, you know,
Our people have caught them.
maybe have an induced drool going. You never know. I mean,
Freelancers. We must stop them.
maybe their mic is muffled for some reason and it's just kind of...
The air was found. Looks like helmets. We need to get the rest.
Bam, there it is.
Focus on retrieving all that they stole. Very important.
Sold. So you hold up and then press the trigger to do that cannon. I'll play a song for you. Oh no! How does this happen? Respawn available in 4, 3, 2, 1. Press X. They like to make you hold the button. And a loading screen. Boy, I'm paying for it big time. Maybe I pressed the wrong button. Is it possible I pressed the wrong button? Oh, I'm in. Oh, we all paid for that one. This guy. About time. That's almost a pose right there. Get a job at Mary Claire for that one.
Bring back all you find. We'll need to figure this out later. I have a long history with outlaws, all of it bad.
Automatic weapon. Use it. Wow. You know, if you sit close to the screen, it's a little bit like VR. If you have a 4K projector, you're all set.
The links you retrieve will allow us to
Sit about 8 feet away from the wall, maybe 10.
More outlaws are coming. Make sure none of them ever dare set foot here again.
The 4K projectors are really coming down in price too.
Most went to Freemark, to the Grand Wall. After the Heart of Rage,
$1,000. You get a Vivitech or $1,200.
We lost much of our history.
All right, here we go.
How did we know to come here? How?
All right. That one got confused and went around that guy a couple times.
You're gonna die. Let's not get in my way. I think they're out of fight.
Outlaws stealing from us, stealing our history. I don't understand why.
Don't mean to be greedy, but I don't like dying.
Very important. On my way.
That's a delivery on a promise. Look at that. Minus the VR.
Our people found it. A monument. I made it myself. I've not been able to visit for some time. I wanted to see it again. For a freelancer. He did great things. So stubborn. But come, bring me the links you recovered. Their stories will be written.
All right. So that's that mission. A favor to ask. That was a good one. It was fun. And we played as a team, so I'm all about that. If you'd like to check out my eBay store, GB Hatchery, I sell a lot of used items. Some of them you can't find anymore or they're not produced anymore. If you have a favorite shirt that's not doing so good, you can kind of get an older one and replace it. I have some Quicksilver stuff. There's a sell a lot of Ralph Lauren. They kind of go quick when you get the nice name brands, Gander Mountain, things like that. Ice skates, roller skates, life jackets, just all kinds of different stuff. Some china. I have some little, some birds. They're like porcelain birds for sale. And also to my sponsor and affiliate, Seller Warehouse. Shout out to those guys. I'll put a link to them as well. Thank you for watching this. I'm going to make more videos. This is an awesome game. It's worth every penny. Go buy it. Get a system. This is really, they need to just bundle it because it's excellent.